welcome back to the channel. My name is Alexandra and today we're working on a new makeup look. And before we get started and start talking, I want to quickly introduce myself. My name is Alexandra. I also go by Alex. I'm a beauty creator here on YouTube, and I also have a fashion blog and a wrestling podcast. So if you're interested in any stuff, I will definitely link it below. I'm still trying to figure out this new blog post because I'm still I started a blog and then I kind of scratch it and restart a new one. So yeah, hopefully, crossing fingers, there is a new blog post this week. So today we're doing a new makeup tutorial and we're using only Jeffree Star's eyeshadow palettes for this look. If you have them, that will be quickly and easy for you guys to follow. But like I said, you don't have to have it to go ahead and create these looks. But this is what we're working on. I was supposed to do a mix with blue and purple, but I feel like I end up going to a different route. I don't know. But I'll definitely have to recreate a different, so the video that was requested did not happen because I feel like I went ahead and started adding this color right here, and then it just left a little bit out of the purple scene. So I was like, it's okay, you know what, it's not a big deal because we could always, this will be a different requested video. It happens. It's so hard having my children at home. Actually, this time I recorded a lot earlier in the daytime, and still trying to figure out the lighting, but I recorded a lot earlier, and usually when I do record YouTube videos, it's towards the nighttime where my kids are sleeping, and then I kind of have some type of control of my concentration of what I'm trying to do. Sorry about that. Sometimes so it's more easier for me at night to kind of like think what I'm trying to do, and it's more difficult when my little ones are up because it kind of like I'm either, you know how siblings are, they get into it and then it's more like I am trying to tell everybody, go do this, go do your work over there. So it makes it quite difficult on doing the videos. I wanted to kind of tell you guys about a foundation that I'm trying, but I don't think the audio is going to be the best. So if it is good, I'll definitely link it in the video. And then I was trying to talk to you guys when I was doing like the eyes, but my son was asking me like questions at the same time. So it was kind of very hard to do it during the time with them being up, when I thought, I was like, you know what, I'm going to try to create a video a lot earlier because it'll give me more of a time than rushing towards the nighttime because I have to be up early in the morning. So it is a little hard, but it is what it is. Life goes on with that situation. So the foundation that I wanted to talk to you guys about, because before we get into the eye look, I want to talk to you guys about the foundation that I'm testing out. All right, so here's the foundation. It's the Maybelline Super Stay, and this is my first time trying it. I never tried it before. The last time I tried anything from Maybelline was the Fit Me, and then after that I went to Milani's, and then after that I've never left when it comes to like drugstore foundation. I've done the CoverGirls, with the goat's milk, that one, and I tried that one. That one wasn't that bad. It just, with my oils, I would have to make sure I had a really good primer and I had a good foundation, not foundation, a good face regimen that day for it not to like start separating through, and the oils just created a disaster. So the Super Stay is 24 hours. I don't know. I'm not keeping this on for 24 hours because that's impossible and I'm not going to do that. So this one is, I applied it with a damp sponge. I don't know. I don't like it how it looks with a damp sponge. I'm going to do it the way I tend to do my foundation routine, which is applying it with a brush and then grabbing a sponge to pick up any excess of the foundation. But it did apply a little in the bottle. It looks a little lighter, but obviously after a while it oxidized very nicely into my skin, so it is quite gorgeous, and the color I'm using is light beige. Okay, and also I picked up a few things, but I'm gonna just share it. So I picked up this other foundation that I want to try. This is Milani's Cream to Powder foundation. and I'm gonna open it, and this is also in the color light beige. So I'm curious to try it, even though I love Milani's products, so but I never tried this one, so I'm very curious about that. I picked up the Hard Candy setting spray, and this is the matte finish, and this is the glow setting spray, and this is the one I have on my face. So after I finished doing the tutorial, I went ahead, I ate, I served my kids, I did a few things, I was moving around the house before I was able to sit down to do the intro. So far it held very nicely. I did like the way of the finish of the setting spray left on my skin. So far so good. I definitely gotta keep on messing around with it because I can't tell you anything how well it is, because I'm wearing it just for a few hours here, just when I create a video, snap some photos, and then I keep on pushing to another tutorial that I have to do. So I can't really give you a full honest opinion of it. Also, I seriously put it on if I'm going out somewhere, and then I could be like, well, I love it and it's fantastic. But so far it held quite well while I went ahead and did a few things for my kids. But yeah, let's get into the tutorial. I wanted to share with you guys that real quick. I'm trying on a new mascara. So far it looks cool. I just have to try it out one more time before I tell you guys. It's some Maybelline one that I found at Walmart. I never seen it before. Maybe at my drugstore didn't have it, but it's new to me. Okay, so like always, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Very simple, very easy. And like I said, if the audio is not too much chaos, you will have me watching me apply the foundation into the video. If not, I will definitely add it in another upcoming video, not in this one, but I'll definitely, hopefully the parts that I discuss here and when I was talking to you guys, hopefully it came out well. I definitely had to like stop talking because I remember when I'm talking to you guys, I went too much and I had to blend it out. It was, I kind of messed up a little bit, but I was able to fix it after I stopped talking to you guys. But yeah, so go ahead and like the video if you enjoyed it. Go ahead and comment and subscribe. Let me know which look you are interested in me doing. I am definitely taking some requests. I'm filling out some requests from a couple of people, and I'm requested to do a hair tutorial. And I'm trying to think how to do that because my ring light, I have to take it to the bathroom. But let's see how that goes. But yeah, I want to say thank you again for watching my video and definitely clicking on it. I'll see you guys in my next one. I really appreciate it. I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.
There must be some way out of here. Oh, 'cause I'm feeling so great, and I know I can escape.
Alright, so I just did my full face off camera, but I wanted to come real quick to talk to you guys. There goes my son being funny. Okay. Alright, so I wanted to come here real quick and talk to you guys. I'm using the color white from Jeffree Star just to like blend the top of the eyebrow. So I wanted to come and share with you guys. I'm trying a new foundation out. I wanted to tell you guys about it, but not yet because I need to try it in a different way because I don't know if I don't really like it with applying it with the sponge. So that's what I wanted to tell you, but I'm not. But yeah, let's grab this color. This look went a whole 360 because I was supposed to do blue and pink, but I added an additional color that's more of a lavender, but I hope it's still appreciated. So we're grabbing this and we're just gonna dust that in the bottom of the eyes right here. But I just wanted to come real quick and tell you guys that before I go back and you guys watch this video super fast and super quick, and I'll get myself back into, oh, I don't know if I shared, I'm using this purple right here from Jeffree Star. I'm alternating between two Jeffree Star's palettes for this look, but ooh, I put too much. All right, so look at that. I made a boo-boo, guys. I made a boo-boo. I went a little crazy on the purple. Gotta make sure I blend that sweetheart out, because the worst thing you could look like, somebody gave you a jab in the eye and now you're walking around with a look that looks like somebody jabbed you in the eye, but that's not what I'm trying to accomplish for you guys today. But yeah, so today is creating this look. I'm trying to like go ahead and do a few looks today, but I don't know how well my face is gonna take it. And yeah, I'm just trying to fill it out. All right, so I'm gonna have to finish this all, not off camera, but fast forward so I could kind of like dust it, because it's starting to look like I gave myself a jacked up eye. And then my son wants to show you guys his book.
No.
It's called The Couch Potato.
Not my mom is the couch potato.
I'm the couch potato. But yeah, let's get back into the video. Let me fix the mistake that I just made. But so let's speed this right through.